Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Poco X5 Pro, which also called Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed. A request that was coming a lot to flash the Oxygen OS. Currently, the latest release, the ported ROM for the Poco X5 Pro 5G, and check the ROM how it is performing on this mobile phone. I found this ROM. Yes, it is having few bugs. And what are the bugs? Provided in the video description. You can read the description to know about the bugs. Those who like to have a different custom ROM on the mobile phone, they can flash this ROM and use the ROM. If they like, they can stick with it. The Bluetooth is working perfectly. The camera application is working perfectly. All the modes that provided in this camera application are working. Video, camera, portrait mode, night sight, the front camera also working with all the modes are perfectly working with the front camera. So there is no bugs related with the camera. According to the developer that the device is not certified. We'll check, and yes, the device is not certified. If I check the safety net, it is also fail. So we are getting issues with this thing, but we can root the ROM and we can make the device certified and we can get the safety net pass. What about the WhatsApp? WhatsApp is working perfectly. I got no issues registering the WhatsApp on this ROM after flashing it. The applications downloaded from the Play Store are working perfectly, and these are the applications. This is the setting interface of this ROM, and Bluetooth working, yes, and all rest thing are working. If you ask me that can we use this ROM for daily base, so I can say that if you are not having, like, if you are not using app lock or face unlock and always on display, then yes, you can use this ROM for a daily base because the app lock is not working, the face unlocking is not working. But surprisingly, the fingerprint scanner is working perfectly. The OnePlus RAM extension is not working in this ROM. Yes, I don't think so that many of us are using the extension of the RAM. The VoLTE is working currently with my SIM card that is inserted in this mobile phone. All I can say that this is the different ROM. Like those who are not using or who haven't used the OnePlus mobile phone yet, then if you are having a Xiaomi mobile phone, if you see that there is a ported ROM for your mobile phone provided, then you can flash and you can check the Oxygen OS, that is the OnePlus ROM. And I found this ROM little bit different. I can see that there are some features that usually not come with the mostly mobile phone coming with this ROM. OnePlus is a different, having a different ROM, and surprisingly, I will say that the ROM is good. So if you are a flashaholic, you want to flash this ROM, then must unlock the bootloader of the Poco X5 Pro mobile phone before flashing the ROM. And the bootloader must be remain unlocked until you are, or as far you are using the ported or custom ROM on the mobile phone. To watch the further video how to flash the ROM, the very easy method, just follow the steps. You will get this Oxygen OS currently latest release on the Poco X5 Pro or the Redmi Note 12 Pro Speed.